Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the screen replacement process, you'll need the following tools: a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a pair of tweezers. Ensure you have these ready before starting. First, power off your HP 15SFQ laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Next, remove the battery if your model allows it. This is an important safety measure. Now, using the Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the bezel surrounding the screen. There are typically around 6 to 8 screws, so keep track of them. If you find that you're missing any tools or need assistance, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. It's a convenient option if you're unable to visit a repair shop. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry the bezel away from the screen. Be cautious here, you don't want to damage the clips holding the bezel in place. Work your way around the screen until it's completely detached. Next, with the bezel removed, you will see the screen assembly. Carefully disconnect the screen from the laptop by removing the screws that hold the display in place. Typically, there are 4 screws securing the screen to the hinges. As you do this, be sure to support the screen to prevent it from falling. If you're not comfortable doing this yourself, we provide a quote before repair to help you make an informed decision. After removing the screws, gently pull the screen forward and disconnect the video cable from the back. This cable is often secured with adhesive, so take your time and use the tweezers if necessary to detach it carefully. Again, if you need help with this step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now that the old screen is removed, it's time to prepare the new screen. Take your new replacement screen and connect the video cable first. Make sure it's securely attached and then position the screen back into place. Align it with the hinges and replace the screws to secure it. Before reassembling everything, it's a good idea to clean the internal area around the screen. Use a microfiber cloth to gently wipe any dust or debris. This will ensure a clear view through your new screen. After cleaning, reattach the bezel by pressing it firmly back into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the bezel. If you're unsure about any of these steps, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. Remember, no calls, no travel is our motto to make your repair experience as smooth as possible. Finally, reinsert the battery if it was removed and power on your laptop. Check to ensure the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything is in order, you've successfully replaced the screen on your HP 15SFQ laptop. If you encounter any issues, we're here to help with our professional services. Now you can enjoy your laptop with a brand new screen. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.